Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the error Wi-Fi icon not showing on my PC or laptop. Chapter 1. Fix error Wi-Fi icon not showing on laptop, enabling the adapter. To start, right-click on the network icon on the taskbar. Click on Diagnose Network Problems. When you see the wizard, validate if it is possible to see the Wi-Fi adapter. If you don't see it, right-click again on the network icon, click on Network and Internet Settings. After that, click on Advanced Network Settings. Then click on Enable on the Wi-Fi adapter. Wait for it to be enabled. You can check that the Wi-Fi is visible on the device. Chapter 2. Fix error Wi-Fi icon not showing on laptop from services. To get started, enter Services in the search box. Click on Services. Now locate and double-click on the Ubuntu WLAN autoconfig service. Here, validate that the startup type is automatic. After that, click Start. Click on Apply OK. Check that you can have Wi-Fi access. Chapter 3. Fix error Wi-Fi icon not showing on laptop, updating the driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click on Device Manager. Then in Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi driver, click on Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the operation to complete. Check that the Wi-Fi is visible. Chapter 4. Fix error Wi-Fi icon not showing on laptop, uninstalling the driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click on Device Manager. Then in Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi driver, click on Uninstall Device, select Uninstall. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After that, in the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. Wait for it to complete. Check that your Wi-Fi works correctly. Chapter 5. Fix error Wi-Fi icon not showing on laptop, adjusting the power. To start, right-click on the Start menu, select Device Manager. Then in Network Adapters, double-click on the Wi-Fi adapter. After that, go to the Power Management tab. Here, uncheck the box, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. After this, validate that the Wi-Fi works. Chapter 6. Fix error Wi-Fi icon not showing on laptop from system configuration. Finally, in the search box, enter misconfig. Click on the utility. Then in the Services tab, check that the services associated with Wi-Fi are active. Check that you can use the Wi-Fi. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.